Abe.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
I have
You don't
not
get your
had
dick
a
sucked no more?
blowjob since 1997.
In general, or from one person that you want to suck your dick?
One person.
Your wife?
Yes, sir.
And what do you do for her that she won't return the favor?
Now, see, here's the thing. About 5 years ago, she started pushing me away when I go downtown, right? No, I don't want you to do that. Well, I don't know what I've done wrong, Patrice. I don't know if it's the combination of gold and diamond on her finger. I don't know. Maybe I pulled her hair a little bit too strong. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong here.
She won't. This is strange. Hold on a second.
You gotta dig a little deeper.
Yeah. Now, you said that she pushes you away when you go to eat. Now, my first instinct, dude, is she got some side. My first instinct is she cheating on you, and I don't want to cause you to kill her, but my first instinct is like if you go down on your girl and she pushes you away for 9 years.
What was it before?
How many years has it been? 10 years.
When you went down on her before,
I haven't had a blowjob. It's 5 years since she stopped letting me go downtown.
When you were going down on her, what was it like? Did she enjoy that, or was it apprehension there?
I do believe she was enjoying herself. I can't imagine that the screaming was from me doing something wrong. Although it could have been, I guess.
I think, see, this is a problem, because I don't want to accuse her of cheating and she's not.
Right.
But my thing is, here's what you do. This is what you do, Abe. Because bitches, no matter what they do, they always going to react to you. So she's reacting to your desperation for wanting your dick sucked.
Yeah.
Here's what you do. You fight as hard as you can fight. I don't know what kind of personality you are, but you fight hard to not give a fuck no more about fucking her and about getting a blowjob. Don't try to fuck her.
Quit asking every other day, hey, why don't you
do not ask for pussy from your wife. Then the shit will come out. When she starts to corner you and goes, you know what's going on? You go, no, you seem like you don't want to fuck me, so it's good. I love you for who you are. You funky bitch in your head. In your head, though. You funky bitch, you ain't gonna fuck me? All right, we're gonna pull this out. Never, ever, ever let a bitch beat you mentally.
No W's.
Because they can't do shit without your starting point. Like, they don't have like like I said about the nice weather. Women, it's like, ooh, nice weather, so this now dictates how I'm supposed to feel today. Sunshine means I should go out and walk. Guys ain't like that. A real guy is not like that. We dictate what the fuck we do internally. Now, what she's doing is seeing you bitch up, asking her, begging her. Don't forget, power corrupts. If you begging your bitch for pussy and she knows that shit's like valuable, then she gets drunk off that. And the second thing is, women like fucking as much as dudes like fucking. So if you got a woman that has clung to you in life and wanted to get married and wanted to fuck you when you first met, and now she don't, dude, you might have to call cheaters. Catch the bitch at Applebee's with some motherfucker, but
with a pickup truck, and a beard, on some cowboy boots,
on a boat, on some niggas boat, and you're like, why are you doing this to me? Listen, man, just fucking, dude. I see this. I'm fucking torn. Cause
you can't really call it. He's not. Right. You don't have enough to say.
What's going
definitely,
on? What, is she home all the time?
Oh no, she's working just as hard as I am. So I mean, it's not like she's this little housewife that runs on a treadmill all day and cleans the kitchen. I mean, we're both.
What's she do?
She hot?
Work too. What's that?
She's hot. She's hot to him because he wants to fuck her still.
But I mean, that don't necessarily.
Yeah, but he's hot to her though.
But I mean, does she stay in shape? She works out? Does she tan? Like,
in the last.
But it don't matter though.
She's lost over 100 pounds.
To other guys.
To other guys.
Oh, he said she lost 100 pounds.
She's not a fat bitch.
Oops. Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah. See, it's unfolding now. It's unfolding, man. She is. But here's what you do. Because you pull back.
And see what
Let her
happens.
soil her royal oats, you know what I'm saying? Her little, to get her, if she's getting some side dick, you know, you gotta look in the mirror and bite your bottom lip and fucking maybe a tear run down. She's fucking another dude, but she loves you because she's staying with you. But she might be out like being her new sexy 100-pound lighter self.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? And she might feel like, you know, she's getting probably advances from guys that don't need her to work. A guy that probably said, listen, fuck your job, fuck that guy who got you working. Like, see, y'all got a partnership. This bitch now is doing what I always said. It's not a partnership. It's how I feel about you and how you feel about me. And she might be feeling a little more into herself and a little less into you. You understand
She
what I'm
also
saying?
might still perceive herself as a fat bitch, even though she lost the weight, and so the attention she's
Yeah, she getting drunk off of because 100 pounds,
That's
nigga.
a lot.
How
That's
much
a
does she weigh
different lift.
now?
She's about 145, 150.
Wow, she was 250 and now she's 100. Yeah, she's getting some side dick.
Oh yeah.
She's
Yeah.
getting a little side dick, dude. But don't trip out. I mean, let's be honest. What, Leah? I'm telling them that she's getting
There's like
side
80
dick.
other options. There's like 80 other options.
Okay, what would
going
you?
on
Well,
here.
go ahead.
Well, how long was she sucking your dick before 1997? Like, were you together a long time?
We met in 95 and got married in 95. And it was
So you guys got
crazy
married
wild,
within a year.
Fucking on a table, just absolutely
At 250?
nuts. And now
Wrong table.
I'm lucky
At the
to
two-
see
at the
that-
250
that,
mark.
I'm lucky to see that thing about once a week.
You was doing a lot of fucking when she was 250.
Yeah.
So now
Why did you guys get married within a year? Sorry.
Well, no. We started low, and then she gained all that weight, and then she lost it all again.
Damn, she's
It's not like she was
150.
that heavy when we met.
It's hot again.
She's looking good.
It's hot again.
100 pounds lighter. Won't let you even eat the pussy.
Maybe you eat bad pussy.
Nigga, who
I
even?
follow Sam Kennison's alphabet.
Oh, with the alphabet
Yeah,
tonight.
it's like it's like he knows he's good because he wants to keep fuck. It was
That
good.
doesn't mean she's cheating. She could have something going on in her head.
What?
She could be going through like one of those stages, girls, where
What?
they don't want people touching them and like.
What? This is this is why no one likes girls. What stage do anytime I don't go through a stage when I don't want my dick sucked? What stage?
A lot of girls don't like.
A lot of women don't like what?
Only time I don't
Well,
want my
I don't know anybody that doesn't want their pussy eaten, but I do know women who go through stages where they don't like people touching them.
Was your wife raped or anything?
I don't believe so.
I'm just saying there's other options, so he doesn't have
What
a
other
fucking panic
options?
attack.
He should have a panic. I'm not. Look at. There's certain medicine some people need. Some people need grape juice in it. Some people need it straight. If his wife, after 10 years, after 5 years, doesn't let him eat her pussy anymore and won't suck his dick, and used to, and that was part of the situation that got them married,
Right.
what would you say? What would it be for you? What would you be if me and you were together and you used to suck my dick a lot and I used to eat your pussy a lot? Now we don't. After 5 fucking years, what's going on with you?
I don't know. I would have thought that if she was cheating, he would
What's
notice something
going
else.
on with you? If me and you were together and all of a sudden you're not sucking my dick no more, ever, and you won't let me eat your pussy for 5 years.
Maybe I just all of a sudden feel like you're my friend.
Which means
And I
you
don't-
would be
Is that,
cheating on
I
her.
don't necessarily
you would be
need to
cheating
cheat.
on
No,
her.
some girls don't fuck for a long time.
Is that even the difference? Is there a difference between she's cheating and she now looks at him like a friend? That's like,
But
that's
doesn't
the
that
same
mean
thing.
she's fucking somebody else?
It don't matter.
She
She might
ain't
as well
fucking
be.
him.
No, not fucking anybody is different.
No, it is
Why?
not. It's
Because you're not
different to
sucking
you.
some other dude's dick.
What difference does that make if you're not sucking mine?
In her mind, it's
It's different. Like if I wasn't sucking any dick, like if I wasn't sucking my partner's dick, because I didn't feel like sucking dick for a
So
long time.
basically it's
but
about
if I was
you.
sucking somebody
Let's
else's
now-
dick, I
let's
feel
now-
like he'd be less respected.
Let's now leave your mind.
Right.
Leave your movie.
Let's leave what the movie starring you,
Starring Leah,
you, fucking
Directed by,
produced by you.
co-star.
It's my movie.
What about the needs of your partner?
I'm saying he should get his dick sucked. But I'm just saying that he might not just be cheating.
Wait, Leah. Wait a minute. If you're not sucking his dick,
Okay.
now what I'm trying to do is get a woman's point of view and
understand
stop
that.
the horse shit. If you're not sucking my dick in the relationship, and you used to, now you don't, and it's been plural years. Plural? Is that the word? Plural? A lot of years. Several years. Multiple years that you haven't sucked my dick. Give me some options on how I'm supposed to think. How is this man supposed to fucking think? What is the problem? But could you direct it towards him? Not because you're fucking, I just don't feel comfortable. My pussy's squeezing my...
I'm just saying why sometimes women act that way. There could be another option besides cheating. Like, if she was cheating, you would probably notice something else.
But do you understand on my point of view?
No, I am.
As they say in Star Wars, from my point of view, that it don't matter that if I'm not getting okay, put it this way. Let's say this.
What about if he
Let's
gets
say this. Exactly. Abe, let me ask you this. Do you have honest conversations with your woman?
Yes, I do.
Okay. If you're not fucking, ask her, is it okay for you to get some side pussy and you'll continue on with this fucking fiasco?
Just friendship.
All right.
Is it, could you do that? Do we need to walk him through what to say to her?
Yes.
All right, look, Abe, you go, sweetie. I don't know. She's probably for a bitch. She's probably running a relationship too. Because for a bitch to have the goddamn balls to fucking not suck my dick, my girl wouldn't even. She offers to suck my dick just in case. Like, you need your dick sucked. She better, because she knows I'm dying. I'm dying for strange.
You gotta ask him. Has he confronted her about why you not sucking my dick? Did you confront her about not sucking you?
I will ask her, and it gets...
No, have you? What's the conversations like, the why won't you suck my dick conversations? Well, give me an example of some of the conversations you had with her.
The I want you to suck my dick conversation goes like this. Hey, baby,
all right, there you go. Stop right there. Stop, Abe.
Suck my dick.
Abe, here's what you got to do. You're making it about her. She's not giving you a gift. And here's the slick shit she did. Here's the shit that's grounds for side pussy. She tried to play you with not eating her pussy out so that she don't owe you.
Right.
That's what bitches in Australia do.
I totally agree with that.
Bitches in Australia buy you drinks because the whole idea that you don't, like, they won't let you buy them a drink. They buy you drinks so that they have that fucking imaginary power shit. Like, you don't owe them. So she took away that thing of, you do me and I'll do you. That reciprocatory shit.
Yeah.
And she took that away, and that was a power move that she did, dude. Here's what you fucking do. You go, look, I'm starting to feel real fucked up. It's been 10 years. I love you. You ain't sucking my dick, and that's okay. And then you just kind of walk away, dude. And she has to react to that. And you got to pull it up. You know what? You might actually have to this has to come up. You know what? This shit has to be like cancer, nigga. You can't even do a lump check on the titty.
Yeah.
This shit
Don't
has to
ease
be
it in.
This is a tumor.
Yeah.
You gotta fix that. You can't go, hey baby, hey booby pie, make me feel good. You understand what I'm saying? You can't beg from the queen. You know, there ain't no. If you're the king of your castle, nigga, you know this is how my kingdom's gonna be happy. You understand?
Yes.
Abe, do not go booby bear. I'm telling you, pull out 2 swords, nigga. 2 swords. And cut some shit. And I mean, not literally kill a bitch. Because you gotta be careful with that with white guys. They'll kill a woman in a minute. You motherfuckers will murder your woman. That's another thing, dude. That shit, it just festered too long. And you know, it's like when you knew about it, I bet you it bothered you years before this. You know what I mean? And it's one of those things, man. That you got to look at it like any sickness. If you don't take care of it, like in the early stages, dude, it might not be curable, and you might have to start all over again and say to yourself, okay, this is what I'm not going to do the next time. Because I don't know, again, this loyalty situation, I'm telling you, I don't play that with my girl, this, hey, I got to be loyal to you in terms of sacrificing my happiness. Because, like, compromise to me is just when 2 people in the same room and one has to be unhappy. You understand what I'm saying? I'm saying like this, you should not be compromising, because this bitch is fine with you not eating a pussy and sucking your dick, but you ain't. Where's the compromise? It ain't. You losing, nigga. And if you losing, the whole system loses, man. You understand that, Abe?
Yes, sir, I do.
Pick your fucking shoulders up, man. Tell this bitch you gotta suck my dick or prepare exit strategy.
Roger
you
that.
Prepare it. All right. Take care, sir. Hey, listen, we gotta take a quick break.